Ever dream of traveling the world, buying your dream car? Imagine the freedom of exploring new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and creating unforgettable memories. How about financial peace of mind? Picture yourself living without the constant stress of bills and debts, enjoying a serene and balanced life. These dreams might seem far off, but they can become reality with the power of financial goals. Setting specific targets can turn your aspirations into achievable milestones. This video will be looking at 6 points to explore financial goals. Subscribe now for financial tips and tricks to empower you on your journey to financial freedom. Number 1. Think of financial goals as your roadmap to financial success. They guide you through the twists and turns of your financial journey. They provide direction and motivation, helping you make smart choices with your money. Each goal you check off brings you one step closer to your dreams. Setting clear, achievable goals empowers you to take control of your finances and build the future you envision. It's like holding the key to your financial freedom. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. A detailed plan turns your goals into actionable steps. Let's transform those wishes into concrete plans. With a solid strategy, your dreams can become tangible achievements. Get ready to unlock your financial potential and turn those dreams into reality. The journey starts with setting your financial goals today. Number 2. Why set financial goals? To take control of your money? Why are financial goals so important? First, they give you a clear target. Imagine trying to shoot an arrow without aiming. Financial goals act as your target, helping you focus your efforts and resources. Second, they keep you motivated. Knowing what you're working towards keeps you going even when things get tough. It's like having a finish line in sight, urging you to push harder. Third, financial goals provide a roadmap for your money. They help you make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. This means less financial stress and more financial freedom. Number 3. Fueling your financial journey. Let's start with short-term financial goals. These are the stepping stones to your financial success. These are goals you can achieve in a year or less, providing a sense of accomplishment and momentum. They provide quick wins and keep you motivated on your journey to long-term success. Achieving these goals builds confidence and sets the stage for bigger financial milestones. So how do we set short-term financial goals? First, build an emergency fund. This is crucial for financial stability. This is a safety net for unexpected expenses like a car repair or medical bill. It ensures you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans in emergencies. Aim for $1,000 to start, then work towards 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This buffer can provide peace of mind and financial security. Second, tackle a small debt. Reducing debt is a key step in financial health. This could be a credit card balance or a personal loan. Paying off these debts can improve your credit score and reduce financial stress. Paying off debt frees up more money to save and invest. It allows you to focus on building wealth rather than paying interest. Third, save for a small vacation or a fun purchase. Rewarding yourself is important. Having something to look forward to makes the journey more enjoyable. It keeps you motivated and reminds you that financial planning isn't just about sacrifice, but also about enjoying the fruits of your labor. Number 4. Long-term vision, securing your future. Now let's talk about long-term financial goals. These goals require more time and planning but offer significant rewards. First, plan for retirement. Start saving early, even if it's a small amount. The power of compound interest will amaze you. Second, consider saving for a down payment on a house. Owning a home can be a great investment and provide stability. Third, explore building an investment portfolio. This could include stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Investing helps your money grow over time and outpace inflation. Number 5. Aligning spending with goals, making every dollar count. Now that you have your short-term and long-term goals in mind, it's time to align your spending habits. Every dollar you spend should be working towards your goals, not against them. Start by tracking your spending. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to see where your money is going. You might be surprised. Identify areas where you can cut back. Can you eat out less? Find cheaper entertainment options? Small changes add up. Redirect that money towards your goals. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Number 6. Take action. Your financial journey starts now. Take action. Congratulations. You've made a crucial decision to take control of your financial future. You've taken the first step towards financial success by understanding the importance of financial goals. This is a significant milestone. Now it's time to take action. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. Grab a notebook and write down your short-term and long-term goals. Be specific. Clarity is key. Drop in the comment below, "I have written down my short-term and long-term goals." This is important for your commitment. How much do you want to save? By when? Set clear deadlines to keep yourself accountable. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming. This makes them less daunting and easier to achieve. Small steps lead to big results. Celebrate your wins along the way. Every milestone deserves recognition. It's important to acknowledge your progress. Treat yourself, within your budget of course. Rewards keep you motivated. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous improvement. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Obstacles are part of the process. Stay focused, stay motivated, and enjoy the ride. Your attitude determines your altitude. Stay tuned for episode 3 of our Money Mindset series. Subscribe now for more financial tips and tricks to empower you on your journey to financial freedom. Let's achieve financial success together.